don't really know at first what you want, but you really evolve over time. Okay, so after LM, if you look at that, I guess it also started here, no? I guess I was a product of the social milieu at that time. This was 1987. This was towards so I was here from 83 to 87. That was towards the end of the Marcos dictatorship and the beginning of the so-called restored democracy, no, of the Aquila years. So we were, we used to boycott our classes a lot because there were always rallies outside, etc. But I was always one of those provincianas who I lived in the dorm and maraming parties noon, di ba? Okay. So, maraming talagang parties. I remember that, but, and then I was really just bored. And then one of my batchmates, Manolin Francisco, he's a jet. He used to head this organization, Lingap Bilanggo. It was an organization that serviced the children of political prisoners. There were a lot of political prisoners at the time. So he asked me to join, and I guess that's how it started. My people and his politics. So in Ateneo, when I joined Lingap Bilanggo, and I was just in second year college. Okay, and Manoling left to be a Jesuit when we were just in third year college. So I had to take his place as president of that organization, and that's also how I got to learn about how to lead and work with organizations. So, and then I moved on to be a volunteer of the Workers' College. Workers' College used to be an organization here that catered to organizing trade unions and workers. So remember there was a Figaro Cafe in doon sa may bookstore. Okay. Believe it or not, we used to have an office there. Okay? That's where Workers' College was. Okay? You can imagine I was really amazed. The next time I went to Ateneo, there was a Manuel V. Pangilinan building. Okay? That used to be the Center for Community Services. Okay. Workers' College was required. So, anyway, one of the first workers that I helped organize were actually our canteen workers. Okay? Our canteen workers were not organized then. They were not recognized by the Jesuits. And I remember we held a sit-down strike in the quadrangle. And we had placards like, "Is this what you mean by men for others?" Wala pang women nun men lang, men for others. So, and I remember our president, I think was Father Bonoan, Lord Bonoan, and we said, "What are you doing? You are not going to graduate because of it." The word is not ours. You have to talk to the workers and not ours. But eventually they recognized the union. Okay? And now that's reunion now in the workers' cooperative. They have since become a workers' cooperative. So I guess because of my involvement here, parang logical step na lang to go to social movement. One of my first I was still thinking about law back then, but one of my first decisions was I wouldn't be